You know what? I'm going to make some plastic labia and hang them on the back of my car.
Not a good fucking idea. Stupid piece of shit, motherfucker. How about I drag you out of your truck and beat you to death? How'd that be?
$6 a month, that's a deal. She's 18 years old. Miss Yang had offered to pay $27 a month, but the boss...
Fucking kidding.
Recently we've had a lot of reports and stuff like that, right? So just need to look into if that's something that interests you. This came into custody. Alright, we're only going to get one shot at this. Now listen, everybody glove up. That's right, pull up the mouse. The first time it happened, buddy system, how many of us out there? Somebody tackled him, and he just goes, we only have 6 gas masks. That's right,
dumb motherfucker.
Ounce of truth and then an ounce of oversimplification and
right in front of me. Dumb asshole.
This was
No, that's not how that works. That's not how that works. No, that's not how that fucking works, dumbass. Jesus. Dumb motherfuckers. You are idiots. Wondering what that was about, that's because that cyclist is highly fucking irritated at the douchebag dump truck driver in front of me who insists on doing 35 miles an hour through a 55 mile an hour zone even though he's running unloaded. What the fuck, dude? Fucking dumbass! Fucking asshole! Look at this stupid ass bitch sitting there through the whole goddamn light. Still looking down on her phone as she goes through the fucking turn. And look at the fucking white pickup truck. Jesus fucking Christ, what is wrong with these goddamn people? Fuck me. What are you even doing? Jesus Christ, it's National Retard Day out here. Get the fuck away from me,